What is a white label digital marketing agency? White label means you deliver the services and we do the work. We are the expert team working behind the scenes across the SEO, PPC, Facebook ads and the social media marketing. No hiring, no training, just scalable delivery. Running a digital marketing agency is a lot. You are balancing strategy, execution, client results, and scaling your team. But what if you could expand your offerings without adding the overhead? Welcome to Softtrix, your trusted white label digital marketing agency partner. What is a white label digital marketing agency? White label means you deliver the services and we do the work. Everything's under your own brand name. Your client sees your name, your reports, your communication. But we are the expert team working behind the scenes across the SEO, PPC, Facebook ads and the social media marketing. No hiring, no training, just scalable delivery. So now here is what clients say about us. So in terms of what services do we offer? We offer full service white label digital marketing solutions, SEO from the audits and the on-page optimization to authority link building. In terms of the PPC, we do Google ads, Bing ads and the performance-based paid search management, Facebook and the Instagram ads, hyper-targeted campaigns with the creative that converts, social media marketing, content calendars, scheduling, engagement and the reporting, content marketing, blogs, landing pages and the conversion oriented copywriting. In terms of the web development, conversion optimized websites built to perform. So everything you need to deliver 360 marketing results to your clients. So now who is this for? We partner with agencies, consultants and the freelancers. Whether you are a solo entrepreneur or a growing agency, we help you expand the capacity. No need to hire more people or stress about the delivery deadlines. Just focus on growing your agency. We will take care of the rest. So now the major question is why you should partner with Softtrix. Confidentiality is guaranteed with strict NDAs. We deliver white labeled reports, clean and professional. Each client has a dedicated project manager. We work within your processes and the CRM tools. Clear communication and transparency in the results. Flexible pricing designed to protect your agency margins. Scalable delivery from 1 to 100 clients. We have got your back. So now in terms of how this all works, step 1 is the discovery call, understanding your agency model and client goals. Step 2, proposal and strategy. We create a white label plan under your brand. Step 3 will be kickoff and the execution. Our expert team get to work. Step 4 is reporting and the optimization. You get branded client ready reports and optimization suggestions. You control the client relationship. We handle all the behind scenes work. So now here is what one of our clients says about us.
Just wanted to give some feedback on my experience working with the Softtrix team. It's been wonderful. He and the whole team is so attentive. I hear from them every week, sometimes every day. The business has certainly increased. I can see the views are much, much higher than they ever were before I started using them for SEO, Google Ads, PPC, and he's just super helpful. I'm new a little bit with this kind of stuff, and he breaks it down for me very well and explains everything to me, very patient with me.
The real agency growth stories, agencies that partnered with Softtrix scaled from 5 to 50 clients in under a year. They have retained clients longer with the better results. Their founders focused on business growth instead of delivery headaches. We have become the invisible engine powering hundreds of agencies globally. Flexible pricing and packages. We offer monthly retainers, a la carte services, and volume-based pricing. Choose only the services you need. So SEO only, no problem. PPC plus Facebook ads combo, we have got that as well. Custom plans, we will build one just for you, and all our pricing leaves you with room profit. So if you want to grow your digital marketing agency without growing your payroll, if you want to offer high quality marketing services under your brand, if you want to scale without the delivery stress, Softtrix is your white label growth partner. Book a free discovery call today at www.softtrix.com. Let's build smarter together. Softtrix, your agency, our execution, shared success. So if you have any campaigns running, then we can get started with the free audit. You can share with us your PPC account access. There is a phone number on the top right corner. You can contact us on WhatsApp. We will be able to look at your PPC account and then can give you the free audit. In the audit, we will let you know what you are doing and what you need to do in order to maximize the ROI from the campaigns. But on the other side of things, if you do not have anything running, then don't worry about it. Just share with us some basic information like the website URL, the monthly budget, and the location targeting. We will be able to do the research and then we can get back with the plan of action on what you can do to bring your business online to the next level. Please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching the video.